To dim an LED, we'll be using a PWM signal. For input, let's bring a constant block. And under NuttX, we'll get a PWM block. For this exercise, we have LED1 of the interface module connected to the PWM1 pin of the EMB DAC1. To configure the PWM block, we double-click it. We set PWM 0 and channel 1. For input, the PWM block takes a value of 0 to 100, which corresponds to 0 and 100% duty cycle. We set the input to 5. I'm probing the signal with an oscilloscope. We can now save the file change the template make file to NuttX, generate code, flash to the target, connect to the target, and run it. Now we can change the input to 25. Now we can change the input to 50. Finally, we change to 99. Note that I'm not setting it to 100% because the oscilloscope wouldn't give us a duty cycle reading. To illustrate a more dynamic behavior, we can use a sine wave as input.